Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a picture collage to your CapCut videos. So in here, what you need to do first is start a new project by clicking on this new project button and select the media, the first picture that you want to add to the collage. Okay, so in here, I'm going to select a photo, this one. Click on add, and now click on the picture and resize it like this. Then put it at the the left corner like this. And then click on the overlay and add overlay, then select the second image, the second picture, and do the same thing. Okay, now just add the other two photos like this. Okay, position the picture like this. Then you'll have that collage that you create on CapCut. So you can just resize it to your liking. Okay, so this will be the result. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.